Thank you so
How
much.
do you feel, madam, with this module, with this methodology, right from the beginning? You have been a consistent performer. Now, how has been your overall experience with this paperless fluency?
Sure, sir. Sir, actually, I was joined this course only for the fluency, but I have a good comparison in between your module and different coaching center module, because in different coaching center module they give one structure like present tense, past and futures. I have been like that. They will give some structure. Then if we apply that structure to our real life, we feel difficulties, sir. Then we will get many doubts. But your module is completely different, sir, because your module is completely based on the real life situations. This was very nicer in your module from landmark 1 onwards, which is the past and live action and then future. There only we learned maximum of the contents, sir. Daily we are using maximum those sentences only. We covered all the sentences in the landmark 1 itself, sir. Then for the then coming to soft skills, then we are entered into the landmark number 2 to until now. This is very achievable, sir. Actually, I feel so greatly on you, sir. Now, one more thing I want to share, sir.
Yeah,
Actually, due to I joined this course, I got full confidence, sir. That is, I achieved, sir. Even though I got good subject, in my conferences or workshops, I was hesitating, sir. Previously, whether I'm saying is correct or not. They are all are good scientists. How they received my presentations are like that. Somewhat of hesitation I observed in myself, sir. While I've joined this course, I raised the hand, and due to that, automatically I don't have any hesitation, sir. Even though it is a correct or wrong, I have to say first. Then only if it is mistake is there, then I will rectify. That much of confidence I got using this classes, regular classes. That is
very,
so happiest thing, sir, which I
very
got
good.
through your classes, sir.
Excellent, excellent.
Yes,
Let me
thank
continue
you.
with this brief interview with a few more questions. So, the in the initial first 1 week, we have got a clear agenda, three micro presentations, and then this public speech tips, as well as the visualization techniques. So, already you
Yes,
told about landmark one, three micro presentations. So they have got clear application to the real life. That's good. Now, how do you feel with the visualization technique, that activity that we conducted in the first week?
yes, sir. Actually, sir, I joined this course while I'm trolling YouTube. Then I saw your video, sir. Why I joined this? Only the concept of subconscious mind, sir.
Perfect.
Actually, before that, I knew about subconscious mind because I'm doing meditation regularly. So
Mm.
I knew a clear idea of subconscious mind. If anything we will try into our mind, surely it will return back us. That thing I strongly believe, sir. Because of the only word subconscious mind, I joined, sir. I have to see is it works in English, because I was struggled from my childhood onwards in English, sir. Why I take it as a motive means, my research supervisor, sir, even though he is 60 years, he is speaking very fluently with a group with a good grammatical, sir. So I thought even though he's in the 60 years of age, he is speaking, but why can't I speaking in the English, even though I wasn't 25 years old. That's why I took it as a motive, sir. Due to that, I joined your course. In the concept of a visualization, sir, that is the wonderful visualization, sir, you gave on the day. If anyone having them hesitations are like that, automatically you trained our mind. We are the winners. Like that, we are the bench. We went to the stage, and then we are talking. Everybody appreciate us. Those are very heartful. Movements, sir. Actually those heartful movements are you insisted in our mind. So due to that we automatically go to that path, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Very good. Very good. So, do you get any appreciations in your real life situation from your professors, colleagues,
Sure.
and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I appreciated by my friends and co-scholars as well, sir. When I was joined your class first day onwards, I tried to speak in English, sir.
great?
One of my friends. Her name is Ainappudu Prashanthi, sir. She is very good in English. Daily, I talked with her in the mobile phone itself, sir. Half
Hmm.
an hour, sir. Yeah,
Very
I speaks with her in English only. Then
good.
after with my research supervisor, with my co-scholars, everybody appreciated me, sir. You improved a lot. Your fluency also good. Like that appreciated, sir. One actually before 1 month back, I went to Vijayawada, sir. In that journey, I want to take ticket. Then I took ticket. After that, I asked to the driver. Automatically, it came in English only. At what time it will reach to Vijayawada? Like I asked, sir. Then
Very good.
he didn't understand. Then he asked, "Are you in Telugu?" Like he asked. Then I told, "I'm in Telugu only." But why
Mm.
can't you speak in Telugu? Like he asked. Then after I asked him in the Telugu itself, sir. Sir,
Great.
sir, why due to I'm speaking in my lab also, everybody speaking in the English only, sir. They also trying to speak in the English.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So automatically from your side, initiative is happening in English only.
Yes,
That's
sir.
really
Yes, sir.
great. Excellent. Now, coming to your experience with the wonderful platform we created here, you get the people from different parts of India, different parts of a country. Apart from that, different backgrounds. Some are them scientists, some of them are business people, like that. So, how do you feel with this variation in this people among our team members?
Yes, sir. For that, I would like to say many thanks to you, sir, because many friends are
Mhm. Yeah,
due to this workshop. Actually, I'm the only younger, I think, in our batch. So
yeah,
most of the seniors are there. Even Selvams are always blessings me, sir. Actually, we are in one group. I'm in group with Uma madam and then Vinay sir, Chandrasekhar sir, Venkatramana sir, and Shelvam sir. Sir, they're always guiding me and they are always appreciating me. They are always blessing me, sir. Those blessings are
wow,
very heartful to me, sir. So
perfect.
thank you for this, all the team members.
Perfect, perfect. So one last question from my side. So what is your future plan? What are your career plans in the future?
Yes, sure, sir. By end of 2026, I will be finish my Doctor of Philosophy, sir. Next, I will plan to go doctor postdoc, sir, in Taiwan, sir. I will go to abroad and then I want to explore myself. I want to become a scientist, sir.
Great.
So in atmospheric science.
Excellent,
Yes,
excellent.
sir. That too, I'm the only one in my village studying Doctor of Philosophy, sir.
Wow.
Actually, so I
Wholehearted
had
congratulations. That
yes,
excellent.
yes, sir.
Very good. So can you tell something about your background? So you are from your village, you said. Which village you are from? Can you tell something about your family background?
Yes, sir. I'm Bhargavi, sir. I'm from Kurnool district, the village Oblampalli, which is in the mandal of Arlagadda.
Hmm.
So I'm from agriculture family, sir. When it comes to my qualification, I was a postgraduate. When it comes to my profession, I'm working as a research scholar under the guidance of Professor K. Krishna Reddy, sir, Department of Physics, Yogi Vemana University. Coming to my family background, my father's name is Kandula Reddy. In fact, we lost him in the year 2014. He was an agriculturist. My mother's name is Kandula Savitramma. She is a homemaker. We are four siblings. I have two elder sisters and one younger brother. So, I firmly made up my mind to become a scientist. Sir. So
Very
I'm from
good.
the agriculture family. Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. So because this journey is quite fascinating, from
Yes,
especially this Alagada district, you are coming Alagada town
yes.
nearby village.
Alagad Mandal.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Mandal. So,
Yes,
and reaching to this position and being a scientist, and that too a first scientist from a village, really your journey is quite fascinating. We wish many more landmarks in your journey. We wish you get great awards, and I am very clear, very confident in the future. I may be showing to my future students, hey, she is my student. That way, so in the
sure,
future, you are going to
sure, sir.
appear in the
Yeah.
media. You are going to achieve many things. All the best. Thank you.
Sir, I want to say about something, sir.
Sure,
In
sure.
that journey, landmark number 10 and landmark number 16 are very crucial, sir. If we are good at landmark number 10 and 16, we can easily speak very well, sir. That thing I
Absolutely.
have, that
Yes.
thing I noticed, sir.
Excellent, excellent.
Yes,
So in Sanskrit, there is one saying, Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. So in fact, so I created this module. That's okay. But you have got that dedication that is giving all these results. So Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. I am very, very happy. So we wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.